If you're searching Google or YouTube for an off-grid solar system, I'd like to share a simple tip that could potentially save you thousands of dollars. One of the most common mistakes solar shoppers make is searching for an off-grid solar dealer and assuming the results they're seeing offer the best value. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. Many of the dealers you'll find online, even some of the largest and most recognizable names in the industry, aren't actually true discount solar dealers. Of course, you may see coupon codes, special promotions, holiday sales, or limited-time discounts, but often those discounts are being applied to products that were priced significantly higher to begin with. If you're looking for a high-performance, reliable off-grid solar system without paying more than necessary, I recommend trying a different search. Instead of searching for an off-grid solar dealer, search for a discount off-grid solar dealer. That one small change can help you discover dealers who focus on delivering better value, and it could save you thousands of dollars on your solar investment. A few minutes of extra research today could mean thousands of dollars staying in your pocket tomorrow. Before you spend thousands on a solar system, don't just rely on what a YouTube influencer says. Instead, search the product's model name followed by the word complaints. Why? Because Google doesn't earn affiliate commissions. It pulls information from thousands of sources, including customer reviews, technical discussions, reported failures, and real-world user experiences. Most influencers are simply sharing their personal opinions, and most are compensated through affiliate links or sponsorships. While their experience can be helpful, it doesn't replace years of engineering, manufacturing, product testing, or repair experience. When you're making a major investment, do your own research. Look beyond the views, the hype, and the commission links. The truth is usually easier to find when you follow the data. Think you found the best deal? Bring it on. Send us your best nationally advertised in-stock quote on our same high-quality off-grid solar kit, and we'll beat it, or your off-grid solar kit is free.